Hello, everybody. You can call me Hunch, and today we're going to be talking about Ordinals NFTs. Okay, so we're going to do a quick overview of the market. If you're new here, I'm a huge stacks bull, but we're not going to be talking about that. I don't know why I have my headset on. I'm not going to be playing any videos. Okay, so I just want to say, let's go into this chart. Everybody knows that monetary supply is going up. So this is U.S. monetary supply or money supply. Now, this is, I think, globally as well. The money supply is going up, so this is applicable to everything. Okay. Now, I don't know if this is kind of where Bitcoin dominance continues to go down. I'm not sold yet. It doesn't really matter. At some point, if the trend follows previous cycles, Bitcoin dominance will go precipitously down, right? Probably to 20% or something, or 30%. You can review the charts from last time where Bitcoin market dominance bottom and then continue to go up throughout the bear market. Another sign, ETH Bitcoin. This has been going down forever. You could see this big green candle here. This may be like, somewhere in here. I don't know if it was over here. It doesn't really matter. One of these green candles is when they had an update to Ethereum, right? And then it pumped. So same thing here. ETH had an update. So that may be a pump there, or it may be bottomed against ETH Bitcoin. The ETH Bitcoin chart may be bottomed. It doesn't really matter. At some point, the most risk-on assets will pump. And if you look at these NFTs or ordinals for Bitcoin, they're all basically at lows. Like, I mean, Node Monks was at 0.63. It's now at 0.34. Quantum Cats, reputable person who started this, Udi. This was at 0.4 all the way down at 0.03. Ordinal Maxi Biz. Now these, might be a bad thing because they diluted themselves. This was all the way over a Bitcoin, now at 0.02. But the art here, I should move my screen. The art here is pretty sick. I actually like these, but I don't know. They do have a history of diluting their collections. So, if you're trying to make up for, this mini bear market that we had within it, this is the riskiest thing I would go into. I think, honestly, these have got to be bottoming pretty soon. So that's what I would be going into if you're the most risk on. Not financial advice, but to me, that seems like if you want to make outsized gains, this is where you would go. Some collections here, will make you legendary. And if you look here, here, let me just show you something. There's a coin called KAITO, and it's about AI and reputation. Now, I actually like this coin. Huge green candle today. These have to do with reputation. Oh, you can't even see it. Okay, sorry. KAITO, huge green candle today. I really like KAITO as a coin, right? But it has to do with your identity, your reputation on the internet, some stuff like that. I don't know all the ins and outs. But, your identity on the internet will come down to your PFP at some point or something. So I do think these have value and absolutely at rock bottom, I think. I mean, obviously, the market could continue to go down, but everyone thinks the Fed is going to start cutting next time. That's what markets are predicting. Who knows? But, you want to be ahead of the curve if they do. So absolutely. Quantum Cats is my favorite here, followed by Ordinal Maxi Biz, Node Monks, and Pizza Ninjas. So anyway, you can call me Hunch. Let's get it.